Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about who can post in your profile on Facebook. Maybe you want to manage who can post in your profile on your Facebook, but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to teach you on how to manage on who can post on your profile on Facebook. Check the video description and I'll try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, you will be directed into this home page. And then now, to manage on who can post on your profile on your Facebook, simply tap on this profile icon at the upper right corner of your screen. Once you tap it, you simply need to scroll down and you will see in here Settings and Privacy. Tap on this drop down button. Once you tap on it, you'll see in here under Settings and Privacy the settings. Simply tap on it. And then in here, under the Settings and Privacy, you will see the Preferences, the Audience, and Visibility. In the Audience and Visibility, tap on the Profile and Tagging. Once you are in the Profile and Tagging, as you can see in the Viewing and Sharing, you can see these who can post on your profile. To manage it, simply tap on this Friends. And as you can see, you can choose an audience. In here, your friends can post on your profile or you don't want it to tap on it only me. There you go. If you wanted to know on how to manage who can post on your profile, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how to manage on who can post on your profile on Facebook, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.